YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We back with another video. And today, man, we finna go on a little cruise right now. Oh my God. Chill. He busting that bitch like it's a gun, chat. Today, man, we about to go on a cruise. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Christian and Connor up front. And we got D behind me. And no, I'm not saying no pause, nigga. Y'all niggas get your mind out the gutter, bro. But we about to pull up on my boy Sonic right now. Cause I gotta drop something off. Yo, this nigga. This nigga Christian got too much burbles, man. He probably got that bitch on like 3 seconds at least. Yo, why that Tesla acting crazy? I feel like I'm playing thing boss at the pan, boy. Yo, you think I play thing, youth? You think I play thing, youth? Outside.
I can't believe it.
Yo, this nigga Christian got too much fucking burbles, man. That joint sound nice. That intake? Like when you on the throttle, that should be like.
Hold that motherfucking boost pressure.
Yo.
Y'all fly. Yeah, what's about he got the sauce. So what I got? Just a teaspoon of this?
A teaspoon? Nah, you gotta use like, you just use a spoon and just spread it all over it and then rub it in.
Bro, it's a lot. I got a lot, bro.
A lot? How much?
Like a lot.
I could tell you where to get it from.
What y'all about to do?
Go shoot.
Y'all look like y'all about to get in trouble.
He said, in my hole with this, what's in there?
Man. Next time I catch y'all.
You good, bro?
I'm Apple Pay you.
Bro, you gonna see.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, you don't need to Apple Pay me, bro.
Huh?
Bro, it's like
said Apple Pay you?
it's like $4, bro.
You said 5? That's at Venmo.
$0. That's how much it costs. Yeah.
Hey, you been a hell of a pocket.
All right, bro. Nigga funny as hell, chat. Datski.
What up, bro? You on the way?
Nah, I'm not going over there, bro.
Where you going?
I'm about to cruise with D and Christian. Chat, so right now we about to cruise to the park, man. What the hell is that? Yo, there's too much wind out here right now, bro. It's too much wind. Too much wind. Yo, this nigga Christian, bro. Yo, what's up with all these turns in this little neighborhood, bro?
Yo, don't make your shit pop in here. You're gonna get kicked out.
I'm in comfort. Are we going straight? I was saying get in front of me. It's empty as fuck. I mean, if that boy is new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? We're on the way to 3K subs right now. I got some oil coming in today, and I'm about to get some spark plugs. We about to do a whole oil change and shit, chat. Chat, look at the cars, man. Line up though. Stop fucking playing. We are here in this beautiful ass golf course right now. I need me a golf cart, chat. Look at the lineup though. Oh shit. Yeah. What's good, bro? How you? Line up. We got the Audi out today, chat. TTRS shit. Stop playing. This my boy Dion shit, chat. This shit is fire. Chat, why boy I say Barca lose, chat? Barca not gonna know it, bro. Oh my God. Yo, that turbo spool crazy.
What are we doing today, Dion?
I don't know.
What are we doing?
We spanking Dion.
What?
Oh, yo.
What do you think about that?
Say what?
What do you think about getting spanked today?
Come on, bro. Y'all are crazy.
What are we doing today?
We outside.
Doing what?
Shit.
Spanking
Park.
Dion.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.